door, scratching the door, pretty much laid at the door the entire night. Was so excited this morning when Ben woke me up and he could fucking go inside into the room. So, anyways, we're gonna take them to the lake, let them play a little bit, get some exercise in, some vitamin D. So I'm gonna get a little tan and let Heidi out, have some fun with the doggies. Yeah, thank you. That's Coda girl. That's my Coda girl. Alright guys, bye. So, fuck, I keep saying grab Heidi. Let you guys see her real quick. She Miss Heidi. Outside! Outside! Ow! Ow! That little girl's Heidi. And then that's Ace. Easy, quick! Get out of his fucking pee. Jesus. Girl, hi, baby. I went to my grandma's. I'm leaving my grandma's. It's getting cloudy. Looks like it's about to mist out of my face. Like, tan line, OD. It's so crazy. I'm coming up to where I used to get them off. Anyways, we will see you back at the house.